Yeah, children. So coming to quadratic equations. Okay, children, in quadratic equations, yesterday I told you how to find nature of the roots. I told you if discriminant is greater than zero, then real and unique or distinct roots will be present. Whether they say distinct or unique, it is same, children. Okay, and if d is equal to zero, then you will get real and equal roots.
Equal.
Okay, and if d is less than zero, children, no
No
roots. Yesterday I was telling you this one, children. Today they will give the nature of the roots. You have to find k. Children, they will give the nature of the roots. You have to find k, children. Okay, then open the link in the description, children. Open the link in the description. You will be having almost 30 to 40, and day by day, all the sums will be upgrading, children. So many sums will be coming. Whenever you have a doubt in a particular topic, you can open that video and you can do practice of this sums, children, so that it will be useful for you forever, children. So coming to the first sum, children. Condition given is for first sum condition given is real and equal roots, children. Actually, I forgot to give there real and equal roots, children. First one, we see here, children, 2x square minus 10x plus k is equal to 0. Condition given is real and equal zeros. They only told real and equal, children. We have to find k. Children, they only told real and equal. We have to find k. If it is real and equal, what is the condition for discriminant, children? D is equal to
Zero.
0. 0.
b square minus 4ac is equal to 0.
0.
What is a here?
2.
B is equal
Minus
to
10.
Minus 10.
C is equal to
K.
can you, yeah,
Minus 10 whole square. Minus 4 into 2 into k is equal to 0.
minus 10 whole square.
100. 100 minus 8k is equal to 0.
0.
K is
100 is
equal
equal to
8k.
K.
100
K
is
is
equal
equal
to
to 100 by
k is equal to 100 by
8.
8. K is equal to 50 by 4, 25 by 2, 12.5 or 12 and a half. Like this you should do, children. I hope you are feeling it comfortable, children. Very easy sums there. Level 1 sums only, children. Level 2 sums tomorrow I will tell, children. Okay, one more sum, children. One more sum. Real and equal roots. One more sum. I am going to eighth sum. All of you please check eighth sum, children. Eighth sum. Okay, eighth sum. Kx square minus 2. Sanjal, are you there? Sanjal? Sanjal, are you there? Yeah. Bhavika, are you there? Bhavika?
Yes, sir.
Nana, tell me, Nana, A is equal to?
A is equal to K.
B is equal to?
B is equal to minus 2 root 5.
Okay.
C is equal to 4.
And the condition is real and equal, Amma. Real and equal means?
B is equal to 0.
Okay.
B square minus 4ac is equal to 0.
Okay. Keep saying, keep saying.
Minus 2 root 5 whole square minus 4 into k into 4 is equal to 0.
Okay, minus whole square is plus 2 to the 4, 4 5 is
20.
minus.
Minus 16k is equal to 0.
Okay, bring this here. 20 is equal to?
16k.
Okay,
K is equal to 16 by 20 by 16.
2 tens are, 2 eights are, 2 fives are, 2 fours are, 1.25. K is equal to 1 point. Okay, next sum, children. So real, real and equal you are able to understand, I think. Real and distinct you will see, children. Real and unique you will see, children. Some real and unique. Okay, children. One sum I will tell. Remaining sums I will be asking some students to tell, children. Real and unique. 14th question. All of you check real and unique, children. This question is 2x square plus 3x plus k is equal to 0. A is equal to 2, children. B is equal to 3, children. C is equal to k. What is the condition for real and unique, children? D is
greater than 0.
b square minus 4ac should be greater than 0. You should do with greater than sign only, children. Okay. What is b, children? 3 square 4 into 2 into k is greater than 0. 9 minus 8k is greater than 0. This comes here. So what you will get? 9 is greater than 8k. 8 goes down. K is okay, children. So like this you should do 9 by 8. Okay, children. So what we will do? 9 by 8 means, children. So 9 by 8 is greater than k, means k is less than 9 by 8. K is less than 9 by 8. less than 9 by 8 children. See, 9 by 8 is greater than k, means k is less than 9 by 8, so that you will not get confusion. Okay, so see here, k is less than 1.125. So children, what is your answer should be, means k should be less than 1.125. K should be less than 1.125 to make it a unique solution answer. If you want a unique solution for this equation, K should be less than 1.125. Okay, children? Okay, children? This is for you, sir. One more sum, children. One more sum. So you real and unique, one more sum we will do, children, then you will get, you'll be, because we are putting greater signs and equal signs and doing, no, that's why. Okay, please see here. 2x square plus x plus k is equal to 0. What is a, children? A. 2, b1, c is equal to k, children. D should be greater than 0. b square minus 4ac should be greater than 0, children. Please see here all of you. Okay, so b is how much, children? 1 square. 4 into 2 into k should be greater than 0. So 1 minus 8k should be greater than 0. This comes here. 1 should be greater than 8k. Okay. So 1 by 8 should be greater than k, children. So I'm doing here, k should be less than 1 by 8. If k is less than 1 by 8 only, then unique solution is possible for this equation. If k should be less than 1 by 8. Anything less than 1 by 8, if you put only, then unique solution is possible for this equation, like that. Okay, one more sum, children. One more sum. One more sum. Please open your link. Open. So children, next real and equal, all we did. No, real and equal. Yeah, children, in real and equal, please go to, children, in real and equal, please go to 20th sum, children. 20th sum. Yeah, Banu, are you there, Banu? Banu, are you there? Yes. Okay, Suryakala, are you there? Suryakala?
Yes, sir.
Kx into x?
Kx square minus 2k x plus 6 equals to 0.
A is equal to?
A is equal to k. B equals to 2. C equals to 6, minus 2k. C equals to 6.
What is the condition for real and equal roots? D should be? B square minus 4ac should be equal to 0. B, what is the value of B?
Minus 2k. Minus
4 into k into 6 is equal to 0. Minus 2k whole square is how much, Amma? Minus 2k whole square. Okay. So children, how to do like this sum? Please all of you see here, children, how to do like this sum. So children, 4k is common. 4k is common in both of them. So k minus 6 is equal to 0. Two methods are possible, children, here. If suppose this whole thing is going down, 4k is 0 by k minus 6. 4k is equal to 0. 4 also goes down. 0 by 4, k is equal to 0. This is one. Or k minus 6 is equal to 0 by 4k. This, children, first time I took this down. Second time I am taking this down. Okay. So k minus 6 is equal to 0. K is equal to 6. So k is 0 or 6. Then equal and real roots are possible. Real roots are possible. Children, if question comes like this, you should do like this one, children. Compulsory you should do it. Once you take this down, then you will get the answer, children. Okay, next one. Jyotsna, are you there? Jyotsna.
Yes, sir.
Please tell 20. Please tell 20 seconds sum. 20 seconds sum I'm doing. Kx into x minus 2 root 5 plus 10 is equal to 0. Yeah, tell. Multiply this with this sum.
Kx square minus 2 root 5 kx plus 10 is equal to 0.
A is equal to?
B is equal to minus 2 root 5.
C is
equal to 10.
What is the condition for equal roots? Equal and real roots. D is equal to
0.
D square minus 4AC is
4ac
equal
is equal to 0.
to, okay,
Minus 2 root 5 whole square minus 4 into k into 10 is equal
minus
to 0.
2 to the 4, 4 5 is 20. 20 minus 4 tens are 40. 40k.
40k.
Okay, bring this here. 20 is equal to,
40k.
bring 40 down.
20 by k is equal to 20 by 40. K is equal to 1 by 2.
If k is equal to 1 by 2, real and say real and
Real and
equal
equal roots.
roots are possible,
Possible.
for the given equation. Yeah, children, go to next sum, children. Okay, go to next sum, children. Real and this, real and equal, real and distinct. Real and distinct, what we will do, children? Last four sums continuously we will do, children. 36th sum. Shantan, are you there? Shantan.
Yes, sir.
36th sum. 36th sum, real and distinct term. 36 5x square minus kx plus 1 is equal to 0. Tell me, A
A equals to 5, and then B equals to minus K, C equals to 1.
D should be greater than
0.
B square minus
4AC.
tell
K
me.
square minus 20 greater than 0.
Okay.
And then K square, K square is greater than 0.
K should be
K
greater
equals
than.
to K greater than root 20. K
Okay.
greater than 2 root 5.
Okay.
Plus or minus 2 root 5.
So K should be greater than plus or minus 2 root 5. So K should be
Greater than plus or minus 2 root 5.
to get
0.
real and
Okay.
distinct roots for this equation. Next, Doneshwar, are you there? Doneshwar. Chetan, are you there? Chetan.
Sir,
Chetan, 27th sum. 37th sum. Check 37th sum. X square plus kx plus 64 is equal to 0. Real and distinct. Real and unique or real and distinct. Anything is same. A is equal to how much?
1. B equal to K. C equal to 64.
D should be greater than 0.
0.
So D should be greater than 0 means B
B
square
square
minus.
minus 4AC greater than 0.
Okay.
K square minus 4 into 1 into 64 greater than 0.
Okay.
K square minus 256.
This I will bring here.
Okay.
4 into 64. Yeah. Square if it brings here root. K should be greater than.
Root 4 into 64.
Root of 4 is
2.
2. Root of 64 is 8.
8.
K should be greater than
16.
to get
Real and distinct.
distinct roots for this.
Roots.
What are real and distinct? Two answers will get different answers. They are called real and distinct. Okay.
Okay.
Next one. Next one. Samira, are you there? Samira. 38th sum. Open the link. 38th sum. 38th sum. X square minus 8x plus k is equal to 0. Tell Nana. A is equal to.
A is equal to 1, B is equal to minus 8, C is equal to K.
What is the condition for real and distinct roots?
B square minus 4AC is equal to, is great.
Yesterday did you come?
Let's bite
Okay, tell. Substitute B here.
minus 8 square minus 4 into 1 into K is greater than 0.
Tell. Keep saying. 64.
64 is greater than 4K. 64 by 4 is greater than K. 16 is greater than K.
So K should be less than 16. If 16 is greater than K means K is less than 16. K should be less than 16. K should be less than 16 to get real and distinct roots for this equation. Okay, thank you. Next. Srija, are you there? Srija. Akshaya, are you there? Akshaya. Okay, who will tell this sum? No roots. Condition is no roots. Who will tell?
I will
So
say.
can I tell?
Can I?
Can I
Sir,
tell?
can I?
Yeah, yes. Tell someone tell. A is equal to
1
B is equal to.
equal to 5, C is equal to 60.
What is the condition for no roots, children?
D is less than 0.
Means
B square minus 4AC is less than 0.
means what?
5k
5 square minus
4 into
4
1.
into 1 into 16 is less than 0.
Okay,
25k
5k
25k square
64 is less
is
than
it
0.
25k square is less than 64. K square is less than 64 by 25. K square and the root of
But 25k is less
Yes,
than 8 by
8 by
5.
5.
So k should be less than 8 by 5. If you want to get no roots. If you want to get no roots for this equation, k should be less than 8 by 5, children. K should be less than 8 by 5. Actually, for no roots, I have given very less sums, children. I will be updating this description, children. I will be updating my blog so that in the future, so many sums will come. Whenever you have any doubt in a particular topic, open that video and open that exercise. You can do any number of sums, children. Now I kept 39. In the future, I will be updating it, children. Day by day, year by year, I will be updating children. Okay, so children, in 39 sums, almost 10 sums I did, children. Remaining sums you do as homework and submit me, children. Very few students are submitting. I am noting down all the names, children. I will give to your parents. 100% guarantee that is. Okay, children. Tomorrow we'll discuss on this finding K level 2 sums, children. Day after tomorrow, statement sums we'll discuss. In finding K, 3 varieties are there. Level 1, level 2, statements. Today I did level 1. Tomorrow I will do level 2. Day after tomorrow, statement sums I will do, children. Thank you.